Hi everyone, today we'll walk through one of the key sub-module within the attendance management, which is Manage Comp Off. Once you sign in, you will be directed to the IVPHUB homepage. Manage Comp Off sub-module allows HR to assign compensatory offs to employees for additional days worked. To assign Comp Off, select the department, select the employee name, select the month, and click on Go. A new window opens up which displays the employee details. In the Add Compensatory Off column, select the date for which you want to assign a compensatory off to an employee. Enter a reason and click Add Compensatory Off. The assigned compensatory off will now reflect in the compensatory off table along with the status pending till the employee avails it. In case the employee has already availed the comp off, the status will change to already used as shown in the above row. HR can also delete the assigned comp off if not used by an employee by clicking on Delete button under the Action column. Thank you.